The title of today's Brandon's blog is Smile Direct Club, Shocking Chapter 11 Bankruptcy, the Impact of Online-Only Models versus Brick-and-Mortar Retailers. Smile Direct Club out of the United States filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection on September 29, 2023. You've probably seen their advertisements on television where they offer teeth alignment products through what was initially only a digital platform where they claim it works just as good as braces supplied by orthodontists, but at a much lower price point. Going through why they failed and why an online-only platform may not be suitable for every wannabe disruptor in any industry is what Brandon talks about today and the lessons that can be learned from this Smile Direct Club case. My name is Ira Smith, president of Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. Both Brandon Smith and myself are available to answer any questions you may have, either about this Brandon's blog or anything else at all. So shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to speak with you. I hope you can watch until the end of this video because I know you will find it informative. Brandon goes through the history of Smile Direct Club briefly. The company was established in 2014 as an online-only digital e-commerce platform. They reached a certain growth stage, and they realized in order to grow more, they had to set up brick-and-mortar physical locations also. They called their stores Smile Shops. They grew in the United States, they grew in Canada, and then they expanded internationally. In 2019, the company went public, raising over $1 billion. They went through all that money, and at the time of filing for bankruptcy protection, they owed secured creditors about $780 million. Brandon goes through that history of Smile Direct Club, talks about the various issues and challenges that got in their way. Not only were they going through large amounts of cash, they were also facing battles on many legal fronts. Dental associations and orthodontists were suing them, claiming that they were performing dental procedures and they were unlicensed and therefore unauthorized to perform those dental procedures. Brandon talks about what Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection is and what the equivalent restructuring provision in Canada is. Brandon then talks about retail issues highlighted in this Smile Direct Club case to show how not every industry can flourish being an online model only. In fact, Smile Direct Club recognized that and had to set up physical locations. Specifically with Smile Direct Club, you want to have interaction with the physical product before making the purchasing decision. It's something you're putting in your mouth. The Smile Direct Club process was there was initial evaluation. You had to understand the different aligner treatment plans. You had to pick one. There were additional items you would be given or you could purchase, like teeth whitening kits. And then you need support as you go through the health process of getting your teeth aligned. Not everyone can make the right decision and feel comfortable doing it only through an online portal, not being able to see the product, get an explanation from a knowledgeable sales associate, have someone you can call up when you have questions or concerns if you see things with your teeth that don't look right to you. And all of these things created different problems for SmileDirectClub because during COVID-19, all the smile shops had to shut down. In addition, new customers were not coming on as quickly through the online portal because when you're sheltered in place and you're not going out in public, straightening your teeth may not be your highest priority, especially if you're not earning any or much money. Brandon then discusses how the in-person consultation was so important to SmileDirectClub, even though they initially started up as only a digital platform. Brandon then discusses a little bit more about SmileDirectClub Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing and what it teaches us for the retail market. In bankruptcy court, the founders of SmileDirectClub told the bankruptcy judge that they are prepared to fund $20 million into SmileDirectClub, and they got court approval for that in order to sustain the operations to see if they can find a suitable buyer. They also advised the bankruptcy judge that if they do not find a suitable buyer, their only other option is to liquidate the assets and shut down the business. So I hope you can read the entire Brandon's blog below, because I know you will get value from it. Again, both Brandon Smith and myself are available to answer any questions you may have, either about this Brandon's blog or anything else at all. So shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to speak with you. The title of today's Brandon